Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for November 9th to 11th, 2024, featuring the moon passing Saturn. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. Events are described relative to sunrise and sunset. Find those times in local sources. During the next few evenings, the moon appears farther eastward, passing Saturn on the 10th. Saturn is visible in the southeastern sky after sundown. The ringed wonder is part of a bright planetary quartet that is visible during the night. Mercury is not part of the nightly planetary display, yet, as it sets during brighter evening twilight. After sunset, look for brilliant Venus in the southwest as the sky darkens. Stepping eastward against Sagittarius, it sets later each night. Farther eastward, Saturn is near the moon. Jupiter rises in the east-northeast less than 2 hours after sunset and before Venus sets. The viewing window to see the two planets simultaneously gains about 5 minutes each evening. Mars rises over 3 hours after Jupiter. The pair is in the eastern sky near midnight. During morning twilight, Jupiter is in the western sky, while Mars is high in the southern sky. Use a binocular to see the red planet near the Beehive star cluster. Here's what to look for with the moon during the next few evenings at 1 hour after sunset. November 9th, the gibbous moon, 58% illuminated, is 1/3 of the way from the south-southeast horizon to overhead. It is 3.7 degrees to the lower left of Deneb Algedi, Capricornus tail, and over 15 degrees to Saturn's lower right. November 10th, the moon, 69% illuminated, is east of last night's place. Look carefully for Saturn, 1.5 degrees to the lunar orb's upper left. While not as bright as Venus or Jupiter, it is the brightest star in the region. Block the moon with your hand as you would to shield your eyes from the sun or use a binocular to see the planet. The moon occults or eclipses Saturn from southern Florida, the Caribbean Basin, Central America, and northwestern South America. From North America, the moon slowly moves eastward compared to Saturn and the distant starfield. The lunar orb passes Saturn at 8:30 p.m. Central Time. November 11th, the lunar orb, 79% illuminated, is 30 degrees above the southeast horizon and over 13 degrees to Saturn's left. Tonight, the moon occults Neptune. A large aperture telescope is needed to see the planet with this bright moonlight. On moonless nights, Neptune is visible through a binocular, but the moonlight overwhelms the dimmer world tonight. Watch the moon eastward trek along with the nightly planet display. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.